Renovation for profit versus designer renovation for your own home. Come and see the difference and why today's buyer always benefits from the latter.
Offered by Donna Schneider for $317,500, this gorgeous Summerlin designer home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 1,204 square feet of living space. Located in the highly desirable community of Summerlin, this property has been fully renovated and remodeled by an owner with an eye for design and a commitment to quality materials. One of the first things you'll notice upon entering this very special home are the high ceilings and rooms flooded with natural light, a theme extended throughout the entire home. One of the other things you'll notice are the custom renovations and details that make you feel as though you've stepped into a dreamy, exotic, and international resort. This home truly feels like a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. This light-filled kitchen, looking out onto the welcoming backyard and patio, is as functional as it is fun. And it features all-new high-end stainless steel appliances and custom cabinetry. As you move through the home, you'll notice the beautiful and all-new luxury vinyl plank floors, uniting the entire space. The master bedroom has access to the covered patio, and the ensuite bath and walk-in closets are exceptional. Hello, sweet dreams. As is a sign of the times, the second bedroom is currently doing double duty as an office and a guest room. And just across the hall is a second full bathroom. Upon entering this home from the attached 2-car garage, there is a laundry room with ample storage. And this home has a brand new air conditioner as well. To accommodate your outdoor living needs and desires, this space is a quiet haven for relaxation and for entertaining both friends and family. In addition, this serene backyard area also features easy to maintain artificial turf, new landscaping, and 2 cooling patio covers. Lastly, you'll enjoy the sparkling resort-like community pool and spa. The shady community walking paths, and several outstanding parks only minutes away. If you're a potential buyer and already working with a realtor, please have your agent contact Donna Schneider directly for additional information. Now, for those not yet working with an agent and would like to see a virtual 3D tour or schedule a safe private viewing, see the links below in the comments section, and a member of the New Life West Vegas team will be happy to assist you with no obligation necessary. We're always here to serve our community. Until then, stay safe, stay Vegas strong.